Enterprise Asset Management, or EAM, is more than tracking equipment. It's about making your assets work smarter, last longer, and cost less. EAM manages every stage of the asset lifecycle, from acquisition to maintenance and disposal. With centralized data, EAM improves planning, asset utilization, and operational performance. Modern EAM runs on Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, and the cloud, bringing real-time insights and automation. IoT sensors detect asset issues before they become costly failures. AI enables predictive maintenance, automates scheduling, and extends asset lifespan. EAM is essential for industries like manufacturing, energy, transportation, and healthcare. EAM ensures compliance, reduces risk, and supports sustainability. Key EAM features include lifecycle tracking, warranty management, and system integration. Mobile tools give field teams instant access to asset data and work orders. Duracell saved $50,000 on inventory. Pharma NZ cut $70,000 in maintenance. The future of EAM includes cloud, AI, and blockchain-powered platforms. Expect smarter maintenance, real-time tracking, and secure operations. EAM helps reduce costs, increase uptime, and support data-driven decisions. If your business depends on physical assets, EAM is a smart long-term move. Talk to our team to learn more.